Good morning on day 3. All right, I am just leaving my place right now, walking to Richard's. Literally just left my place. I'll let you know how far he is. It's gonna take about a million years. Yesterday was maybe not a total loss, but we were jet lagged, and I jet lagged in the morning and he jet lagged in the afternoon. Today I think that we're aligned. This is how we get to my brother's place. I don't know if you can see. Hi.
Feels like it's 7:30 in the morning, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, not for me, but for this guy.
It's not. Oh, it does feel earlier, but it also goes to bed. It goes to bed earlier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow me.
I'm following him. Walk this way. We're on our way to breakfast, which is pretty funny because it's probably after 1. And this is a watch store, and my brother is a watch dude.
Here's the anuses.
Anus.
I'm wearing an anus.
A Holstein anus. That's a cow's anus. Oh, that's right, in the video. This is Dick Waffle. If you try to do something funny with it, it's a fucking mess. Wanna see? This is not right. My brother-in-law Doug can't eat this because it has nuts. Say hey, Rich.
Hey, Rich.
We're
Did
walking.
you show him
There's a clock, right? Not a clock.
thermometer?
It's a thermometer. So here's the thermometer. It meters thermos. It's like a thermos meter. Okay, so that says it's what, about 12 and a half?
No, it's 14 degrees.
But 15 is up there.
15 is wonderful. Look, the red goes up to 14.
You sure it's not 13?
Could be 13. The 15 is the big line. 15 is above the 15.
Okay, so I'm saying it's 13, which is...
It's 14.
Oh, for the love of fuck. So how many degrees is that?
Well, 10 is 50. You had 8, 58.
So I had a dick waffle earlier.
I know.
So now we're having bone soup. Hey guys, it is Tuesday the 23rd, right? And we got here on Friday. Boy, I gotta stop. It's Tuesday evening on the 23rd, and I have not been doing an awful lot of video or whatever because I've been going around with my brother and just getting as much of my life situated as I can. He's been amazing. It's like a little after 9, and we're both back at our respective abodes. Today we went to Park Güell, which is very cool. I took videos, and my brother belched, and you'll see that. We're averaging about 17,000 steps a day. My feet hurt. My feet hurt. You could see my foot if it wasn't in a sock. But it's in a sock. But I promise there's a foot in here. You guys will see what else we did. I don't remember. I've not done an awful lot of footage. Just because we're doing. They both look. Oh, that's not a face anymore. Oh well. Riding on the metro. We're riding the metro for the first time. He's looking for the ghost from the movie Ghost. It's not us yet.
It's L3.
Oh, it does? Oh, jeez. Hi! Benvagitis. The Park Güell. Try this again. Güell.
Snack Güells are kind of cookies.
Snack Güells. Again, this park is lower in fat and calories than your average park, and also very odd because it's Anthony Gaudí. So these columns are like He's just screwing around with physics is what he's doing. Here, I'm gonna do a vertical shot. So can you tell? It's like, whoa, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's pretty fucking peaceful if you fucking ask me.
We're recording now.
Okay,
I can see the numbers on the top.
I've already tried this Fanta.
You just gotta fake it.
It's take two.
Can't
But I'll
open
tell
it.
you, I think this is an artificially sweetened Fanta because it doesn't taste as good. Do I have enough makeup on? Hey, Rich, we were gonna go to our language exchange, but it's tomorrow.
Yeah, I was looking to change English into German, but
We were practice getting ready for tomorrow.
yeah.
Yeah.
And there's Artie.
I did my hair. I don't remember the last time I washed my hair. Oh, there's a lot of that going on. Now we're walking. Say hi. Turn around. There we go. In honor of my vagina, I got a mixed veggie burger. So there's like more than one vagina in it. Yeah. Alright, so this is what a veggie burger looks like. This is guacamole on top of maybe a little fried green tomato. I don't know. Not what I thought. Okay, guys. I am walking to get the key to my next place. The cats are coming in tomorrow, so I'm going to my next place a couple of days early, so I don't have to move them again. Moving cats is a very expensive proposition. Anyhow, so yeah, I'm on my way. It's a 6-minute walk. Like this. See? Except it's not a 6-minute walk when I do it, because if you recall correctly, I can't find directions with a trail of breadcrumbs. Okay, so here it is. This is the place I'm staying for. I'm waiting for the guy to come get me. And look, Angelina, look, it's right across the street. Here are like the amazing tiles that they have here that I love. And we're gonna go up and down the steps. And we're gonna go down. Wait, listen how cute my feet sound. And here we go. My cozy apartment. It's very Melrosey. And very, very cozy. This is the space between the bed. This is my closet. Well, if I'm entertaining a person, God bless me. El Baño, which is pretty much bigger than, it's the same, the bathroom is the same size as the kitchen.
Where's the fridge?
Well, let's get something from it, shall we? Muffin in the fridge. Okay, and here's my little outdoor spot. And my neighbor's outdoor spot. Bienvenido a Barcelona. I get towels.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
You're taking very large steps, Richard. I think that would be a normal person's 4 steps from the back door to the bed.
I think it's a really small apartment. They just look big.
I don't think it'll look big. So I'll weigh this when I get back, but this is what I'm walking back quite a bit with. Welcome to my evenings in Barcelona so far. When I get home, there's no television in my current rental, so I'm watching every night on Pluto. I'm watching South Park in Spanish, which is pretty funny, especially an interview South Park fans. They had the Marklar episode on the other night, and they say Marklar in Spanish just the same as they say Marklar and Marklarian. So this is probably going to be the last snippet in this video. Richard is back at his place, and he's leaving He's leaving on the morrow. So tomorrow I'll begin my first day in earnest here without anybody. So see you on the next video. Okay, bye-bye. I see you. Hasta la vista, babies.